Welcome, my name is Thomas LEDFORD, aka Tax98, and I'm here to share this video, Ptin Vs Efin, and I just want to say subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit the bell for notification, so every time I go live and do an upload, you'll be notified. And also, if you're looking to start your own tax preparation business, and you've been procrastinating or you've taken action and actually invested in someone and they just didn't follow through on they promised on what they were going to be able to do for you, I understand. Just don't give up. Keep trying, keep researching, keep seeking to find the right one for you, who's going to be the right fit for you, that's going to be able to deliver on the promise they say they're going to be able to do when it comes to helping you start your own tax preparation business. That's what I help people do. 18-month membership program designed to help fast track your success, designed to help you get somewhere much quicker and faster than you can ever get on your own, and based on coming to my channel, watching my videos, and then connecting with me on the phone or even by Zoom chat, you get to see I'm the real deal, because I'm able to back up what I say out my mouth when it comes to the videos you may have already watched from me, and then get me on the phone and find out I can back up what I said inside my videos. Is one of the true tests of being able to connect with the right person who can deliver on their promise of helping you start your own profitable, successful, sustainable income tax preparation business for yourself is what it's really all about. So in this video, which won't be long, is Ptin Vs Efin. Ptin is the number we use to sign all tax returns with for people who get paid to do returns in the industry. And that stands for Prepared Tax Identification Number. And Efin stands for Electronic Filing Identification Number. And so the difference between the two is this. A tax preparer who works for a tax firm will definitely need a Ptin, because that's what we use to sign tax returns with. But a person who owns his own tax preparation company, who does taxes as well, will need both. He'll need a Ptin, because that's what we sign tax returns with, and he'll need the Efin so he can electronically file tax returns to the IRS and be able to buy professional software and work with third-party banks to collect the fees that they're going to collect from their clients. So that's the significant difference between one versus the other. The Ptin is for people who work in the industry who pay to do taxes. They need that number, and the company they work for going after that Ptin letter that they're going to print out from their own account and bring it into the job that they're going to put in their file to show that you got a valid and active Ptin and you're good to go, versus the person who is a business owner of their own tax preparation business, where they're going to have the Efin, which is the electronic filing identification number, which you need to be able to possess in your hand an active and valid Efin, where you can go out and buy professional software and work with third-party banks to collect your fees on your behalf. So if you ever went to a tax service and you didn't pay out of pocket, this is called a bank product. A bank product is when you go to a tax service, you don't have to pay out of pocket, and they're going to take your refund out of, they're going to take their fees out of your refund, and the bank product is going to take a fee for processing the refund, and the balance that you got coming will be forwarded to you either by check, prepaid card, or direct deposit. And so that's how that works when it comes to Ptin Vs Efin. So a business owner like myself would have a Ptin and a Efin, but a person working for a tax preparation firm would strictly just have a Ptin. It wouldn't be an owner of a tax preparation business wouldn't work for another owner of a tax preparation business, unless that person planned on leaving that business to do his own thing. But other than that, that's a significant difference. The Ptin is what we use to sign tax returns for people who get paid to do that. And generally, if you work for an independent tax firm, a national brand, or a big tax firm, you're going to definitely need the Ptin, because they're going to ask you that. That's what we use to sign tax returns with. And people who own tax preparation businesses will have the Efin as well as the Ptin, especially if they're actively doing tax returns. Now, you can be a business owner of a tax preparation firm and not have a Ptin, because you don't prepare returns at all. And if that's the case, which is, I'm sure, some situations like that happen, but that's rare, but it can happen. And so when it comes to those two situations, if you're looking to start your own tax preparation business, you already got the Ptin, and now you need the Efin. One of the processes that they added to being able to get the Efin which is called an e-file provider's application, is to be able to create a secure account. That's made it difficult for a lot of people to be able to get a secure account because the information they need, unfortunately, everybody doesn't have a credit card, student loan, mortgage, line of credit, or auto loan. So those are the things on the list under finance that you must have that's going to allow you to create a secure account that's going to allow you to go in, put in a e-file provider's application, which does a background check where you need 2 fingerprint cards. And so generally we call the IRS, who sends you the 2 fingerprint cards. You take your cards, you go to someone who's qualified and licensed to do fingerprints, and that's either going to be your local precinct or a lot of passport places, especially in where I live at Midwest Chicago, is where we normally send all our clients who have some fingerprint technician on the clock who does that type of work for us, which is the much quicker and more efficient way, because police stations are designed to do fingerprints for people they're not locking up. So that's the big frustrating thing about trying to go to a police station. So when it comes to Ptin Vs Efin, and you starting your own tax preparation business, you definitely need both. I had a special program going on. It ends tomorrow on the 15th. My partnership program and my 12-week program. And so for people who didn't want to commit and utilize the 18-month membership program for mentorship and coaching to start their own tax preparation business, then I had a 12-week version of that where you had 12 weeks and you had a bonus 8 weeks that I gave you during actual tax season, because you're going to definitely need support during actual tax season when the money coming. That's crucial. Not having support will be the thing that'll put you out of business before you get started. So you get a bonus of 8 weeks during that time under the 12-week program. But if you took the full mentorship and coaching program, you definitely got support during actual tax season, because it's an 18-month program. And then all the products and services that are offered to the public, you get 50% off all those things. And then under the mentorship and coaching program, Drake software and my Tech Prep Off software are available to you, and any other programs that's already been built out under my mentorship and coaching program, which is included for you to use. That's going to help you to build and grow your tax preparation business to a much quicker and faster level, which is really all about. So if you look to start your own tax preparation business, it's going to be rough to make it happen, but it's still possible for the right person who's going to take action, who's going to do the trainings, who's going to do the studying, going to learn the material, going to do all the things they need to do to get themselves ready for the tax season that starts in January of 2021 for the 2020 tax season. So the right person can make it happen even right now. And if you already got your credentials, but you're new to the industry and you're new to maybe using Drake or my Tech Prep Office, you want to leverage my support that you're going to definitely need for the upcoming tax season, then I have a special program for you who already got your EFIN and your Ptin and all those things already up and running and set up and active and ready to go. I have a special pricing for you that ends on October the 17th of a flat fee of $799. And so if you want to learn more about my mentorship and coaching program, reach out to me. I leave my contact information inside the video, and find someone to connect with. It might not be me. I might not be your cup of tea. I might not be your flow. I might not be your flavor. I might not be the person you feel comfortable with. But if you look to start your own tax preparation business and you've tried to do it on your own already, and you've been having massive, frustrating challenges on making that happen, then you definitely want to connect with someone who has a program already in place to help you make that happen for yourself. So if it's not me, hopefully you'll connect with someone, because I'm not going to be a good fit for everybody and vice versa. And so it's people out here on YouTube that you can connect with who might be a better fit for you than me. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people who find me find another young lady named Krista Titus who has her own program as well. So like I said, I'm not the only one out here. So you got to find someone you feel comfortable with. You got to find someone you connect with, that you identify with, who you feel comfortable to the point you know, like, and trust enough that you can do business with. And so a part of that process is calling me up, getting on the phone, take it to the next level, get on a Zoom call where we can see each other face to face and get a better feel for one another. And I send you some information that's going to let you know what the process of starting your own tax preparation business looks like and what it's going to take for you to be successful. And you can determine based on who you are as a person and you knowing you better than me knowing you if you're the one that's going to take action and make it happen for yourself. So when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business, it's all up to you. I'm here to guide you through a process that's going to make it simple for you. But it's up to you to take action. It's up to you to do all the necessary work needed to be successful. I'm just your tour guide, and that's all I offer is insight, training, offer my story, my experiences, and everything that I went through over my 19 years in the industry, 13 years as a business owner, that's going to help you to be a better business owner than I was getting started, because I learned all this on my own. I made all the mistakes you're going to make being in business as you go. But if you want to alleviate all that and be able to follow me and let me guide you through a process that's going to help you be successful, then I love to work with you. And so to learn more, reach out to me with my contact information. Utilize the special that ends on the 15th for the partnership program and the 12-week program. And definitely get with me before the 17th to utilize the program and the special pricing if you already got your tax preparation credentials set up. But you know for the upcoming tax season, you're going to need the support of experienced business owners that's going to be able to help you with the incoming clients you're going to have when it comes to different types of tax returns and not being familiar with it and all the different type of questions you're going to have and not having the one to go to answer those questions are vital during money season, because you only get one chance to make one mistake when it comes to people money. You don't get another chance. You lost that client and they're going to tell everybody about you and it won't be good. So you don't want to put yourself in that predicament by trying to figure this out on your own and doing it on your own. So connect with someone. It might not be me, but find someone you can connect with that you feel comfortable with, that's going to be able to deliver on their promise of helping you start and grow and build a successful, sustainable, profitable tax preparation business for yourself. And I'll see you in my next video.